Hi there. Welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is a simple macrame plant hanger, so it's easy for you to follow and make one for yourself. The length of this macrame hanger is about 26 inches long, and it can be shorter when you put any pots in. To make this project, you need to prepare about 24 meters of 4 millimeters cotton rope. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. You need to cut the cords like I shared in the screen. First step, you use 2 cords, 79 inches long, fold them in half and put on a hook. Next, you use 1 cord, 118 inches long, fold in the ratio 39/78, so that the shorter end is on the left and the longer end is on the right. Next, you tie a lark's head knot to attach the cord into these cords. And then you use the longer end to tie about 12 or 13 lark's head knots. After completing the lark's head knots, you have a piece like this. Next, you use 1 cord, 79 inches long, fold in half and tie a square knot to link with the 2 inside cords of the clasp. Next step, you tie the cords of the 2 sides to something so that help you easier to make next steps. Use the cords from 59 inches to 71 inches, fold them in half and then you attach them to the hanging cords. The longest cords will be attached at the top and the shortest cords will be attached at the bottom. They will be attached by tying the lark's head knots. The distance between the cords is about 5 centimeters to 6 centimeters. Next, you tie the square knots. When you're completing the square knots like this, you untie the hanging cords of the sides. And then you tie the square knot to connect them together. Next, you tie 3 more rows of the square knots to create a cradle and help the macrame hanger can be hold pots. Last step, you use one cord, 39 inches long, fold one end of the cord to make a loop. Put the loop at the bottom and on all the cords, then you use the longer end to wrap around the loop. The knot is called wrap knot. The distance from the last square knots to the wrap knot is about 5 to 6 centimeters. Please kindly note, wrap evenly and tightly. Next, you pass the wrapping end through the loop and pull the other end as strong as possible to bring the wrapping cord and the loop inside. Cut off the excess cord. You tie barrel knot with the end of cords. Cut off the excess cords. Do the same with the remaining cords. After all, this is the finished macrame plant hanger. It looks quite simple but very elegant, will be a great decoration to add plants to your home. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please a quick like, comment really does help me out. I also made many similar macrame tutorials before. You can check them out in Dom Macrame Channel. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel to update new tutorials as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week.